For the Black women interested in learning about the two types of life insurance, this video is for you. Sit down, listen, and write this down. I'm a six-figure financial advisor, not your financial advisor. Yet. And the two main types of life insurance, term life and permanent life insurance, can both play a role in your wealth planning. Think of them like renting versus owning. Term life is like renting an apartment. You pay for coverage for a set number of years, usually 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away during that time frame, your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. If you outlive the term, the coverage ends, just like a lease would end. Term life is typically more affordable. Most people start here. You could realistically get $1 million term policy for about $50 a month. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's great for covering those years when someone depends heavily on your income. Permanent life insurance is like owning a home. It covers you for your entire life, as long as you keep paying the premiums, of course. The key difference is that permanent policies can build cash value over time so that they can function more like a wealth building tool. Permanent life insurance is more expensive though, and while it's useful in certain strategies, it's not a one-size-fit-all solution. It is not a one-size-fit-all solution. Most people don't need an expensive permanent life insurance policy, despite insurance agents selling everyone a whole life policy for the high commissions, but I digress. So here's how I put it to my clients. If the goal is purely protection, then term life gets it done, and you can build investment assets outside of your policy to leave behind wealth. If the goal is protection and some other complexities, then permanent life insurance can play a role, but I'd still recommend that you speak with an independent financial advisor about it. Some people end up with a blend, and that's okay if it makes sense for you. The most important thing is that the type of life insurance that you hold matches your purpose and that the coverage amount from part one reflects your real life. Make sure your life insurance works for your goals and not just your budget. I hope this helps.